Hey guys, it's Vinay Kumar here, back with another video. And today I want to talk about affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is referring people to products and services. And say you want to refer somebody to purchase a mobile. Okay, you love your mobile and you think everybody should have a mobile. Then you send them a link. If they click that link and buy mobile from your link, you can receive a commission or a payment for referring a person to that product. Now it's awesome because you can do this with Walmart, Amazon, eBay, anything you want, you can promote as an affiliate. So today I want to bring you system that's gonna help you learn how to effectively use affiliate marketing to make a stay at home income. Do you want to work from home? Are you a homemaker or a retired person or a person who is willing for a change from routine office life? Do you want to make additional income? Unfortunately, the answer to all these questions is the 1K a day fast track course. If you want to start a new business and seek proper guidance, 1K a day is the course that you should look for better results. You don't need to take out your items and work out because you can sit in your home and work whenever you are free, just a few hours a day. And it is very easy to start a business in no time. It does not waste your time and won't make you impatient as well because it teaches you the fastest ways to earn money. 1K a day fast track review on features, benefits, and bonus. Excited to know more about 1K a day? Then you have a look at the following features that you stick to this course. First one, free webinar. You have a free access to the webinar to make a good start for your course. Second one, work from home because it's an online course. You can access this from anywhere. Third one, ads. This course teaches you how to build sponsor ads that we usually encounter in most of the websites. Fourth, simplicity. This is so easy because you don't need to have any prior experience or need to have previous knowledge of other courses. Fifth one, course flexibility. You have 6 weeks of content available and there is no issue even if you complete a week's content in a day. Sixth one, tips and tricks. You have access to many tips that you can understand easily. Seventh one, time span. You can start a new business as fast as possible. Just in 6 weeks you can complete the course and start working. Before Facebook, WhatsApp, Snapchat, people used email as a means of message passing. And now this comes key for us to do marketing. This course teaches the principle of email marketing and let us see what benefits you get from this course. You get to know the top secrets in marketing as email does not charge you for sharing messages. It won't expect you to invest a lot, but then you get more profits. This course also teaches you how to find out which people prefer what. Accordingly you can send mails to the people who are the most likely to buy a product. It helps you to find suitable images for your ads to attract people fast. The course also provides a money back option when you get your money back if you don't find the course productivity. In recent days, there are many risks in online jobs. We have to take care even if we want to take a single step. But 1K a day provides you tips to avoid many risks. And nowadays, investments are more but profits are less when compared to previous days. But this course teaches you how to send email sitting at your home to audience with zero investment, and it will tell you how Marilyn Holmes earned $5,203 per day, and that's just with email. Now you probably saying this is a scam. Wait, it's not a scam. You really need three things. First one, you need a offer. So here the offer. I love this webinar. I personally taken it. I found awesome results in this webinar. Number two, you need an email list. If you don't have an email list, you are losing your customers. Because if that customer does not buy on the first time, say that they are on your site and they see what you have to offer and opted in, but some reasons they have to walk away from the computer and forgot about the offer. So if you do an email list, you can always promote offer to your subscribers. So email lists are very effective to have. And what this webinar does is going to teach you how having an email list is going to make you millions of dollars. You can sign up for free live webinar in the description of this video. So you need an offer, you need an email list so that you can keep generating those leads. Okay, so you have email list and that you have leads to send the product to make money. If you have an effective offer that somebody likes and you can send them to particular offer through email. Another effective one is ClickFunnels. It is expensive, or you can use Thrive Leads, which is low cost, or you can use Wix for free to create opt-in. Create a funnel using to get the person email address and you get their attention and then they might go through your funnel and purchase your product at the end. So ClickFunnels and Thrive Leads is a big thing that people use in their affiliate marketing, and you can use some free ways like Wix.com to create free funnels. So I want you to know more about this product. There is a link to my blog in the description. When you click on that link, you will redirect to this page. The Fast Track System 1K a day Fast Track Review 2021. So here you can see pros and cons of 1K a day Fast Track System, and you can get more details. You can know who is the founder of this course, how does the Fast Track System 1K a day works, and does it really works, what includes in this Fast Track system, and 3 secrets: list building, different traffic methods, 6-week training, master's degree, and it solves your problem. And you can know benefits of this product and how you can access this course. And conclusion, here it is a free webinar link. When you click on this, you will redirect to this page. This is the simple 3-step formula Merlin used to earn $5,203 per day during lockdown by just asking people simple yes or no questions on the internet. Here you can register for free webinar. All you have to do is watch a live training and the webinar and reveal it, and you can see how you can get a copy of his website for your own. So I want to click the link on my blog post in the description after this video, and I want you to sign up for free webinar, and I want you to just listen to what he has to say and let this video change your world, because it definitely has changed mine. Okay, and you need an email list. If you don't have an email list, you are losing orders, you are losing customers you could be making daily. And I want you guys to keep an open mind, watch the web class and how you can get a copy of everything he does for free, because this is awesome and he changed my life, and I want to bring it to other people, and how that you can earn up to 1K a day with an email list with product and services. So just hear him out, listen to him to know more about this product. Go to my blog called digitalvinay.in/ the Fast Track System 1K a day Fast Track Reviews 2021. Link is in description below. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel and you come back for more videos because I will have some more soon. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. I hope that you get some value out of this and I hope it changes your life. I will talk to you guys very shortly. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.